Welcome back to MrYouWho. Andy here again. Great to have you back with us today. Guys, I'm so excited today to be bringing to you the TOZO Crystal Buds as shown here. Now I'm so excited. I've previously reviewed the Golden X1 earbuds by TOZO, as you can see here, and found them not only be exceptional earbuds, but probably up there better than the Apple AirPods. So we're so excited to be reviewing these today. So as always, we'll be doing an unboxing so you can see what comes in them. We'll open them up, test out the features, put them on, listen to them, test out the EQ settings, test them out and about so you can see how they work. But you're going to find these are exceptional earbuds. You see, to start with the size of them. Look how small that case is and look how well presented it is. And it also has the LED on the front, which you can use to actually see what the battery life is on them. Now also the comfort too. Now, as you can see, they're small earbuds, very, very tiny. They fit so well into the ears and have such a great seal on them. So they have noise cancelling when you're on the calls. They have IPX8 waterproof, Bluetooth 5.3, high quality, high res audio as well built into them. 9 hours battery life in the earbuds. I mean, they really are fantastic earbuds. You're going to see it all in this review as we jump out and we look at them. Anyway, don't want to do any longer. Let's jump in, look at the TOZO Crystal Buds here at MrYouWho. Okay, so here are the TOZO Crystal Earbuds. And as you can see, there they are compared to the size of my hand. So it's a very, very small box, which is great. Let's take a look and have a look at it. So here's the case straight away. Now, as I take it out of the box, what I love is the LED design, much like the Golden X1 that I reviewed earlier. You can see it shows you how much time is left on the charging case, which is really, really good. The case itself looks like quite good quality. So it's a gloss kind of matte plastic finish, which is nice with the clear tops. And here's the earbuds in here. So there's the earbuds. Again, like the Golden X1 that I reviewed before, it's got the down part there, that design. Now, what I love about these, it does fit very well in the ear, which I'll show you guys shortly. So there it is now. So very similar design to the last ones. It's got 4 microphones in each earbud as well. Now, these also seal in your ear as well, which is good. So they don't move around at all. Obviously, I'll show you how they work. So that's the first one. And here is the second one as well. So there's the second one. There you go with the TOZO brand. And then on the back, there's the earbuds as well. So very small. Again, that's the size of my hand. Look how small they are. Now, they say they get about 9 hours in each earbud on one charge, which is excellent. And you get 40 hours in the case as well. So there's the case again. Again, the size of these compared to my hands is a very small, which is excellent. I really like the size. Now, these come with Bluetooth 5.3, so you get some very stable connection in here. And the earbuds come with 6mm drivers as well. So you're really going to get some goodness in there. And also, this is wireless charging as well. So you can sit this on a pad to charge it. And you've also got IPX8 water resistant, which is great. So if you do want to use these in a gym, they are very water resistant to use. Now also in the box, you've got the case. Now it comes with a USB charging cable and also some earbuds that you can use as well. So very straightforward. One thing about these as well, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually customize the controls on the app, and that's how you can use how it works. Also with these, equipped with the 4 microphones, but they've also got dual ambient noise reduction as well. So you can actually use them in busy environments when using them on the calls, which is really good. Anyway, let's go explore a bit more about the earbuds just now. So great, so there you can see the unboxing of the earbuds. As you can see, great quality, great little package they come with. But what about the quality of them? Let's start by taking them out. So as you can see, you've got the left and the right there. So there's the earbud there as we saw in the unboxing. So we're going to put that into the ear with the bottom facing down. Sits in there quite quickly like that, and we get the other one and put them there. Now straight away you can feel the seal on the ear, so they do lock in there quite nicely. Now again, like previous TOZO earbuds as well, you've got all the controls on the ears, so you can stop tracks, play tracks by pressing the buttons. You can change volume there. You can change tracks by pressing that as well. You can function all the earbud functions through the ears, and they're very, very easy to use and very, very customizable as well. What I'll do now is kind of jump in and kind of talk through a bit of the key features about the TOZO Golden X1. Okay, so here's some key features about the TOZO Crystal Earbuds. So to start with, they deliver outstanding performance. So the earbuds are equipped with 4 microphones, and they use a dual microphone AI algorithm to reduce ambient noise. This means you can enjoy high fidelity audio and crystal clear calls, even in noisy environments. So we'll test them out shortly to see what that looks like. The earbuds are also equipped with a Bluetooth 5.3 chip, which means you get great connectivity and great stable connections. And you also get a 6mm diameter loudspeaker, which also guarantees an authentic sounds experience, which means the sound is very clear and the bass is very powerful. Now, I also like about how they come with IPX8 waterproof. That means that the waterproof nano coating protects your earbuds from rain and sweat, and also works very well during intense workouts, and it's great to use at the gym. Battery life's also perfect too. So a full charge after 9 hours of listening at 50% volume. And with the case as well, they get 40 hours of battery life total, which is incredible for such a small pair of earbuds. The app works very, very well as well with the 16 preset EQs that are in place. They work very, very nicely there as well. I actually dropped these earbuds in water and they continue to work, which is excellent. They've got a Type-C charging port as well, but you can also use it through the wireless charging pad as well, which works too. But they work very, very effective. And as you can see with the design, they fit very securely in the ears. So if you're doing a workout at the gym, you're not gonna have to worry about them coming out, for example. They sit perfectly. So here I'm using the earbuds out on a busy road, and the sound's quite good. With the noise cancelling earbuds, I can hear them quite well on the other side of the phone, and they can hear me good as well. And with the tight seal on the earbuds on the ears as well, clear sound as well. Okay, so we're going to take a look at the TOZO app to see how you can customize the earbuds. Now the great thing with the TOZO app, as you can see here, it gives all the features on there. So here's a TOZO Crystal Buds just being connected. Now you can go in there and you can change some of the features. For example, you can change touch control settings. So you can change how they appear, whether left and right, as you can see. We'll keep them the same for now, but there you can see some of the things you can do when you're on the phone. Now you can also update the actual sound on them. So if we go to the, let's update the sound on them. So here's the sound equalizer. So it depends on the kind of sound you like. So whether you like deep bass, it'll adjust it for that. Lighter bass, dance. So you can go in there and you can customize the earbuds depending on what sound you want. I actually found this worked very, very well to change the sound. It gave a lot more quality on it. You can also change sound effects on there as well. You can also look at the other products on here, as we've done. A bit about the TOZO itself, and also about my TOZO as well. So kind of, you can create your own account and track a lot of things you're doing on the earbuds. But for sound changing, it works very, very well. The TOZO app does. Okay, so how was that? What great quality earbuds. The TOZO Crystal Buds, for the price, you're getting so much value. I mean, they're only $50 US, and the features you get, they're really, really packed with them. And it just reflects what TOZO have been doing with their earbuds. They continue to develop and innovate, and it really is shown through these ones. And I guess a couple of things I really like is the sound quality. So they've got fantastic sound quality in them. Crystal quality sound, great bass, clear treble. They really sound good. The earbud design is also very, very nice. They fit very comfortably in the ears. The actual sound quality, as we saw on calls, was very, very good with the 4 microphones in place, and they really are stylish and good. Now with the IPX8 water rating as well, you can use them out in the gym, use them out and about, as you saw with it, and they just fit into the pocket and charge. Now I also like the wireless charging as well, which is good, but the sound quality is fantastic. And guys, if you want an inexpensive pair of earbuds that sound great, have great quality, good battery life, and work really well, you won't go wrong with the TOZO Crystal Earbuds. So anyway, make sure to know what you think. Also check out our TOZO Golden X1 review. If you should purchase these, there's links below as well. Anytime you purchase it, it does really support our channel. Anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho.